So I have this really goofy German Shepherd named Bear, and he'll try to eat pretty much anything he can sink his teeth to. Moment of silence for the unfortunate squirrel who found his way into our backyard, or a few of them. But ideally, I prefer to have a handle on what goes into Bear's diet. And lately, I've been researching what's the best food I could give him to make sure that he gets the right amount of vitamins and nutrients. And that's when I came across the Farmer's Dog, which offers human-grade dog food to make sure your pup gets the healthiest and tastiest meals. And after a few months of the Farmer's Dog meals in our home, Bear's been leaving his bowl completely empty, as if that was ever an issue. But in all seriousness, he's also been looking a lot leaner, healthier, and has more energy than ever. So today I'm going to share what the Farmer's Dog offers in terms of plans and pricing, how they make their food, and how it compares to the other dog food brands in the space, so you can have a better idea if they're the right choice for you and your family or not. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so if you didn't already know, the Farmer's Dog is a premium dog food delivery and subscription service that provides fresh, healthy dog food customized for your pet and delivered right to your door. Their meal plans are formulated by veterinarians, and they use human-grade ingredients that are flash frozen and portioned out specifically to your dog's daily needs. The Farmer's Dog was founded in 2014 with a mission to make natural, nutritious, and healthy food for your dogs that actually looks like food. And based on a lot of scientific evidence that dogs benefit from a fresh food diet, to this day, they pride themselves on using human-grade ingredients with as little processing as possible. And all their food has been tested in 6-year-long live feeding trials across different dog breeds of various sizes and ages. So you can be pretty confident that it's actually good for your dog. But dog food is still dog food, right? So what is it that makes theirs so good in particular? Well, first off, they offer full recipes that use different clean proteins, nutrient-rich vegetables with fiber-filled whole foods, which they blend and balance with vitamins and minerals. And while you can create a meal plan based on only 3 out of the 4 recipes, all of their ingredients are sourced from local farms and reputable food suppliers that meet human food standard, which means that you could actually eat it yourself. Yes, you could. Although I can't offer any personal testament to that. I never did, and I don't really plan to. Now, the details of their recipes are available when you subscribe, but I'll give you a little bit of an idea what you can get. Their beef recipe has beef, sweet potatoes, cooked lentils, carrots, and beef liver with added fish oil, which is a nice source of omega-3 fatty acids for better joint health for your dog. And the main ingredient in the turkey recipe is, of course, turkey, then chickpeas, carrots, broccoli, and spinach, which contains 8% crude protein. While their chicken recipe contains chicken, Brussels sprouts, chicken liver, cauliflower, broccoli, and chia seeds. Yes, that's it. They also have a pork recipe, which Bear didn't try, but all the recipes contain a special nutrient and mineral blend with salmon oil. And each Farmer's Dog recipe is slow cooked on a low heat to kill any bacteria, but not so much that the nutrients themselves are destroyed. Then the food is flash frozen without any preservatives and shipped with portions marked out for how much your dog should eat in a day based on his weight, size, breed, etc. On top of all that, they never use feed-grade ingredients, which are substandard food industry byproducts that are technically considered okay to feed to animals. This includes all those parts of animal carcasses we wouldn't consider remotely edible, ground up into sort of a gross paste or something like that. But with the Farmer's Dog, there are no added preservatives and no cooking processes that destroy the whole foods that they use. There's no labeling tricks either, like dog food that contains only 3% beef claims to be made with beef, with pictures of juicy steaks on the packaging. Now, if all that sounds good to you, then you can check out the Farmer's Dog by hopping down to the affiliate link down in the description below. It won't cost you anything. As a matter of fact, you'll get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't be able to get if you went directly to the Farmer's Dog website. So to get started with the Farmer's Dog, you click the link in the description, then you'll sign up and do a short quiz. You'll tell them where you live and all about your dog, his name, his age, his breed, weight, what they've been eating until now, how active they are, if they might be a bit on the chunkier side or perhaps a bit too skinny, and a few other details. Then, based on the quiz, but especially on their size and weight, the Farmer's Dog will recommend a personalized meal plan with specific recipes and pricing based on your specific dog. And like I said, all their meals are made fresh, quickly frozen, and pre-portioned based on how many calories that your dog needs. Then they deliver your box within a couple of days of your ordering it. You can store the packs in your freezer and thaw them out for about 12 to 24 hours in advance, so just keep in mind that you'll need some extra freezer space for your dog, and it's pretty much as easy as that. So unless you change your order or cancel your subscription for some reason, the Farmer's Dog will keep sending you fresh food deliveries before you run out. Okay, so how much will you pay for this fresh, natural dog food? Well, Well, it really depends on your dog, but for Bear, who's a sturdy 8-year-old German Shepherd and weighs around 80 pounds, his personalized food plan contained turkey, beef, and chicken recipes. So the first box had enough portions to last him 2 weeks, and that came to around $117 or just a bit over $8 a day. But since they give a 50% discount on your first box, the price went down to $62, including tax. And what's really cool is that they also do free shipping. Now, Bear is a bit bigger than most dogs, but the average prices range from around $2 to around $14 a day, depending on the size of your dog. Of course, bigger dogs means bigger appetites and caloric needs. So just to give you an idea, the per day cost for a 6-year-old Shih Tzu that weighs about 25 pounds, it'll land you at just over $5 a day. But if you have a huge dog, for example, a St. Bernard who weighs more than 100 pounds, their food will cost closer to around $17 a day. And the more food your dog needs daily, the more frequently you'll get deliveries, so it's really customized according to your dog's specific needs. Another bonus that makes the Farmer's Dog stand out is that all their packaging is thoughtfully sustainable. The cardboard delivery boxes are recyclable, and the insulation is biodegradable, so it can be composted or dissolved with water and sent down the drain. Plus, the food packs are completely BPA free and completely non-toxic. They can also be recycled after you rinse them out, so if you're worried about the environment, the Farmer's Dog is one step ahead of you. Now, in terms of the competition, after learning about the benefits of natural dog food and going down a research rabbit hole, me and my team tried out a couple different brands, and in my opinion, there were 2 others that are worth mentioning here, which are Ollie and We Feed Raw. First, if we compare Ollie to the Farmer's Dog, they both offer personalized plans that adjust depending on your dog. However, the Farmer's Dog is a bit more affordable and has a higher ratio of proteins, but also uses less organ meat, which is really good for dogs. But Ollie does offer a dry kibble-like alternative if you want to save a bit of money by mixing it into fresh food. And it has a lamb flavor with meat sourced from New Zealand. Both brands supplement their food with synthetic vitamins and minerals, but the Farmer's Dog has more vitamins, so it turned out to be a better choice for us, not to mention bears seem to get more excited for that one. Then there's We Feed Raw, and like their name suggests, their food isn't cooked at all. Instead, they use a cold pressure system to eliminate any microbes. Then their food is frozen for shipping. Their dog food is priced a bit differently on a per week basis. So when I added Bear's details, the cost for 1 week's worth of food came out to a bit around $84, which meant that for 2 weeks worth of food, I'd have to pay around $168. So in comparison, the Farmer's Dog does have better pricing and more personalized plans for individual dogs. But if you prefer a completely raw diet, which some would agree is more natural for your dogs, then We Feed Raw might be a better option for you. Now, aside from the cost, the most important opinion in this review, in my opinion, is Bear's. And I can say, judging from how he jumps up and down when it's feeding time, that he loves the Farmer's Dog. He liked all the recipes that we got so far, but turkey is definitely his favorite because he eats it faster than the beef or the chicken ones. And now we're well into month 6 of using the Farmer's Dog, and I've noticed that he's more energetic. His coat is much shinier, and even his breath smells better. Also, I'm sorry to go there, but his poop has been a lot easier to pick up because it's not as wet and slimy or as stinky as it used to be, thankfully. On the downside, serving him portions from the packet can get a little bit messy until you figure out how to do it, and you'll need a lot more space in your freezer. Plus, you have to remember to thaw out the food in advance. And if your dog doesn't eat it soon after serving, the fresh food spoils pretty quickly, especially when you compare it to regular commercial dry kibble. So you have to defrost sparingly as you need it. But I don't have that problem with Bear because he eats up all his food and then proceeds to lick the bowl clean. I swear, if I didn't stop him, he'd never stop eating. So would I recommend the Farmer's Dog? Yes. And not only because my dog loves it, but plenty of other dogs too. Many people have managed to get their dog's health and weight in check, which only leads to more playtime and better life expectancy overall. Plus, they offer affordable options compared to the other high-end commercial dog foods that I used to get from the supermarket. But where the Farmer's Dog really excels, in our opinion, is in producing these meals with care using healthy meat and vegetables. Okay, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this. And like I mentioned, if you do decide that you want to give the Farmer's Dog a try, use the affiliate link that's down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything. As a matter of fact, you'll get our discount, which you wouldn't be able to find if you went directly to their website. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to answer any questions you leave in the comments as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.